Hello everybody, All Day Protection here. Welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be doing a video on a kid that's quite annoying. I'm going to call him Toothpaste because I don't have any other name to call him. But pretty much this dude, he likes to make up very amazing stories, like that he's Asian and Turkish, even though he's not any of those, even though he kind of looks Asian. But what we got on our hands here is more than just a random Asian kid. It's just a annoying Asian kid. Annoying people are all around us, and obviously we have very annoying people in general. I'm a very annoying person when it comes down to it. But what I have to say is that we have a very amazing person who likes to make horrible comebacks. Oh my god. If you annoy him, he calls you Turkish. I don't know why. There's no reason to it, but he will call you Turkish. And when he calls you Turkish, you better run. Hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, because he's raping all of y'all Turkish people. But anyway, as I was saying, when this person tries to make comebacks, he really likes to make lots of stereotypes. You know, as I just mentioned, he calls you Turkish, or he'll just call you Asian or white or anything that he actually is, which is very weird. In conclusion for this video, if you have an annoying person like this, just block them out of your life. They're not important. They really just make white noise for your conversation that you're trying to have, because if they're anything like this person, they're going to be talking about Jordans, their ethnicity, and whatever else they have in their mind. And also, if you guys are wondering why I have random sounds in the background, that's my friend. He's in the background. And, screw you. Oh, fuck you too. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am Scorpio. I'm signing out. I'll see you guys all later. Peace.